To redeem a V-Bucks on a Nintendo Switch, you must first have a Nintendo account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create it, as the V-Bucks cannot be redeemed directly on the device. Creating a Nintendo account is a straightforward process. Start by visiting accounts.nintendo.com. Then click on Create an Account and choose your age group. You'll be given the option to create an account using Google or Apple. Or you can choose to sign up manually by filling in your details, including email address, nickname, password, date of birth, and gender. Once you've filled in the required information and checked the policy and notification boxes, you can submit your account creation. With your Nintendo account set up, you can proceed to redeem your V-Bucks. Begin by going to www.epicgames.com and signing into your account. If prompted, confirm that you play Fortnite. After signing in, select the Nintendo Switch option, which will redirect you to account.nintendo.com. Sign into your Nintendo Switch account, and you'll be taken back to the Epic Games website. Click on Get Started, and follow the on-screen prompts to redeem your V-Bucks card. This process should guide you through the necessary steps to successfully redeem your V-Bucks on your Nintendo Switch.